And hello, welcome. So I think I want to make a development diary for the FHR reactor simulator. So this is my FHR reactor simulator. It's running pretty smooth now. However, there are lots of things I kind of want to improve for this reactor. You can see the artwork is miserable. Secondly, the steam turbine here is very underwhelming. As you can see, the artwork is really bad. Okay, this was a first attempt at the FHR reactor simulator, and I'm going to change this into version 2 right now. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to rename this as let's see, LSP info. Okay, and then I want to do a lot of things here. Okay, let's quit everything. I want to try the FHR Sim v2 again. Okay, I'll wait for it a while. So yeah, basically I want to do a few things. One is this steam turbine, which is here. All right. Okay. I want to, yeah, now the LSP is working. Okay. Yeah, LSP is working well. Okay, so that's good. Rename FHR V1 sim V2 sim. Okay, so what's the code here like? It's all of this, native options, viewport, okay, many things right here. Okay, so what I want to also improve on, I want to improve on is this. Okay, this is a secondary loop. Right now, it's a steady state simulation. Now, I want it to become a dynamic simulation with mass and energy balance. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to try to use AI to improve this. Hi, I have steam turbine simulator, which is currently in steady state. I would like to create 4 control volumes to make it a dynamic simulation. Here is my code in Rust. Could you modify this for me? I'm going to see how good this AI is. It looks like it's taking a while. Okay. Experiencing high load. Please try again in a few minutes. Ha ha ha. Just try again. Okay. Never mind. I would like to have a ball control volume system representing the 4 components in a ranking cycle. This is to be done in Rust. So the control volumes should represent steam and water in a Rankine cycle. 1 boiler, 2 turbine, 3 condenser, 4 pump. And using Japanese steam tables for the thermodynamic properties, use the simple algorithm. Develop a matrix to solve for mass balance implicitly across these 4 control volumes in Rust. Let's see whether this works. So it's asking me to add an algebra. Okay, let's see an algebra. Let's see whether it's okay, the license is nice. Linear algebra library for Rust programming language. Now, I hope it's not needed to do anything. I mean, it's not. I hope one doesn't need it to do any sort of extra libraries here. Oh, okay. I'm already using ND array lin-elch. Okay, I'm going to ask to use this, and ND array lin-elch. Okay, I'm going to copy the bytecode. Bytecode mass balance. Okay, I'm going to put this here. Mass balance. Bytecode. I'm going to save this. Added a byte mass balance. Okay, there's something wrong. I would like a transient mass balance for this. Someone is using the AI now and I can't do anything. Okay, I think I'll stop. This is not yielding a very good fruit now. Oh, okay. Looks like this is it. So the Ranga kata, yes. Okay. I think this would be a good start. I'm going to use this. Uh, add transient test steam test. Okay. And right code mass balance. Okay, excellent. I think that's enough for tonight. Okay, bye bye.